Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Mini Cooper engine cover. First, you need to locate the interior hood release lever. For models made before 2009, it's typically found on the passenger side, beneath the glove box. If your Mini is from 2009 or later, look for it on the driver's side, near the foot pedals. Give this lever a firm pull to release the first latch. The exact location of this crucial interior latch depends on your Mini's production year. For those with models manufactured before 2009, you will find it conveniently placed on the passenger side, just below the glove compartment. Conversely, if your Mini was built in 2009 or later, the lever is situated on the driver's side, near the foot pedals. It often has a small car icon. Once the interior lever is pulled, you'll notice the hood is slightly ajar, but not fully open. This is due to a secondary safety latch. Walk to the front of your Mini Cooper and gently lift the hood a few inches. Reach your hand underneath, typically to the right of the Mini emblem, and feel for a small lever or button. Push this safety latch to fully release the hood. With the safety latch disengaged, you can now fully lift the hood. Many Mini Cooper models feature hydraulic struts, so there's no need for a manual prop rod. The hood will stay open on its own. When you are finished, to close it, simply lower the hood from approximately 20 inches above the engine bay. Press down firmly to ensure both latches engage completely, preventing any dashboard warning lights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.